Be doing front struts on the 2019 Buick Encore all-wheel drive. In order to access the upper strut bolts, you have to take this cowl loose. There's push pins all along it in there. You got your little seals up in the corner, and then you got to take your wiper blades loose. They're not too terribly hard to take loose. Somebody already broke this cap, but they're 15s. Take them, you can rock them back and forth and take them off. They're pretty easy. Alright, so once you get those off, you gotta pop these little black caps off the top of the struts. And there's your bolt and nut for the top of the strut. We'll go ahead and take this side loose, since that's the side we're starting on. But we'll leave it on there by a few threads. That way when we take everything loose from the bottom, it doesn't completely fall out. We got lucky on that nut there. I didn't have to hold it, but it's a T50 that goes in the top of the strut, and then that's a 24mm nut. I got it loose with my impact. So we'll thread it in a little bit just so it has something to catch on when we take the lower bolts loose. That way it doesn't just completely fall out. We can have a controlled descent rather than just chaos. Down here on this side on the strut, we need to take this loose. This is a T40. I can't think of what this is off the top of my head. Probably a 19 or an 18. So 18 and a T40. You got to take this loose, which just wiggles out of there. Take this loose. Again, this just wiggles out of there. The rubber is a little tough to get out sometimes, and then you got to take these off. All right, now with that sway bar link loose and all these loose, we're gonna jack it up so we can get this sway bar link out. As you can see, it's angled downwards. So we need this strut to go up so we can get it out easier, because right now it's just hung up on suspension weight because I don't have the other side jacked up. You can also stick a pry bar in here across this and down on the axle and push down, and it'll make getting this out easier. Now we need to get these nuts loose, and then we can take our top bolt completely off and the strut will come out. These are 21s, by the way. There we go, strut's out. We have this bungee corded just so we don't pull this axle out or anything like that and damage it. So it's holding it up in there. They have a little bit of give to them, so you don't want them to come out too far. I didn't want to take this nut loose because here in Kentucky you can take these loose and this will be all sorts of fucked up. So we just put that on there. Now we're gonna get the new strut in. There's the old one. Reverse of removal procedure. These get torqued to 81 foot-pounds. These get torqued to like 38 or 48 foot-pounds. Your top bolt gets torqued to 48 foot-pounds, and you're good to go.